Tinanong ko kasi kayo eh. Sabi niyo, gusto niyo bang mag-grow yung company? Eh, di yung franchise natin. So, yep, gusto ko every birth month ko, nagle-level up ako. So, ano bang darating sa August? So, kailangan mong ma-certify na nag-level up ka. So, kapag nakapasa ka sa assessment, hindi lang sarili mo yung nag-level up. What else level up? Good news ba? Yes! What else? We cannot just increase something nang wala kayong ibinibigay. Sabi nga, di ba, dapat give and take. Give and take tayo. So, you have to become worthy. Ang gusto kong gawin natin ngayon is become responsible to your teammates. Naipaliwanag ba sa inyo yung realization ko kung bakit halo-halo yung binibenta natin product? Let's say, I am one of the ingredients ng halo-halo. Siyempre, kung ingredients ako, ano ako? Yung isang ingredients alone, hindi siya pwedeng tawaging halo-halo. Right? So, parang, hindi ako pwede tawaging halo-halo. So, tinawag tayong halo-halo kasi it is composed of different ingredients. Ibig sabihin, different people, different belief, different. And you know, those differences, alam nyo ba, na kapag nagsama-sama tayo, we become something that people love.
Yes.
The more na nagbi-blend yung differences natin sa isa't isa, the more na mas sumasarap. Habang hinahalo, lalong sumasarap.
Yes.
Yes. You will have to be responsible for everyone's growth. Katulad nung halo-halo. Okay? Kailangan mag-blend. So, parang kung sino man yung mga nakasama nyo, you have to make sure na naiintindihan niya and na-a-apply niya yung SOPs. Kasi again, that SOPs is designed for you to level up. And once you level up, once you grow, the company will grow. Imagine, this is the picture. Tatlong tao, same lang naman sila ng gamit. Pero, iba-iba yung purpose. Kapag tinanong ka, ano bang reason mo kung bakit kailangan mong mag-level up? Is it because of the sahod? Is it because of gusto mong makatulong sa family? Or is it because gusto mong maging successful someday? Sobrang halaga nyo sa company. So, dapat mahalaga din yung growth nyo. Sino ba yung ibang taong nagsabing mahalaga ka?
Wala.
Isipin mo to. Normally kasi mahalaga ka lang if you can provide or may condition. Diba? O, imagine nyo to. Imagine nyo to na pumunta ka sa isang place na binigyan ka na ng sahod tapos sinabing mahalaga ka. See you on top. So parang, syempre, yung mga katabi nyo, dapat makikita natin yan, sabay-sabay nga tayo, magle-level up. Tignan mo yung katabi mo, tignan mo lang ha. Sabihin mo, I am responsible for you. Tap mo. Tap mo, I am responsible. Tap mo, yan. Tap mo.